Hey, good morning YouTube. This is Dana. Welcome back to my channel. I am going to be taking you out on my first motovlog. I just started my YouTube channel just recently. I'll leave a link up to the top. You can see my last video about my trip to see all the waterfalls in Tennessee. And I guess I'll show you my bike here real quick. It's a 2015 Honda Shadow. I bought it a year ago and absolutely love this bike and enjoy riding it all over. I go camping, hiking, pack it up, go. I'm going to take you around a little bit of sights of Bowling Green, Kentucky, show you some countryside, show you some scenery, and just enjoy a little quick little motovlog. Let's go. Well, good morning YouTube. Thank you for stopping by again here to my channel. I love traveling and camping and hiking and all that kind of good stuff and exploring, and what better way to do it than on a motorcycle. So that's what I started to do last year, and this could be my last ride on this bike, so in this video, so because I have my bike up for sale and I am planning on getting an adventure bike. So I've been researching and test riding and all kind of good stuff, and I am so looking forward to getting the adventure bike so I can go off and explore the national forest where I want to go. Obviously can't do that on this bike, even though I absolutely love this motorcycle. I can't get enough of riding, so I don't really want to sell this bike, but financially, just the way it goes. So I am going to be very soon getting an adventure bike and can't wait. So just sit back, enjoy the ride a little bit, and I'll check back in with you here in a second. One great thing about riding around here in Bowling Green, 5 minutes out of away from my house, you can get to the country, and plenty of twisting, winding roads around here, and it's really enjoyable to ride, and it's a lot of fun. Over the next year, I plan on learning to ride off-road. I've done a little bit of off-road riding in my life way back when I was younger, but I need to learn to ride off-road. So because my plans are next May, it's actually a year from today, where I will be setting off on a one-year adventure. But I plan on seeing all the national parks, all the national forests, all the scenery I can get, and take my time and travel around the country. And something I've always wanted to do, my dream ever since I was 17, was to travel around the country, and what better way to do it than on a motorcycle? Come along for the ride. It's gonna be fun. Hey everybody, I just wanted to stop here and kind of show you some scenery up here. Just stop at the top of this hill, and it's just really beautiful up here. You probably can't tell as much with the GoPro, but it really is really nice. It's really warm today too, so but just wanted to show you a little bit of this, and I'm gonna get back on the road, and just wanted to show you a little bit of scenery. That's it. Let's go. taking a lot of trips this summer, and can't wait to go to a couple. Basically, they're going to be only like 2-day trips because I'm back working now. But as much as I can get in those 2 days away is the best thing I can. I just enjoy so much. I have been inspired by YouTubers out there like Tim from FTA Adventures, who I've been following for over a year, and he has inspired me to do this. People like Itchy Boots, who I really admire for what she's doing. Hopefully she'll get back to it soon, because it's really enjoyable watching her ride around, and I can't wait till she comes to the States, so maybe we can get up and ride, and at least to meet her anyway. That would be great. Also been watching As the Magpie Flies, and also Nora. There's so many people doing what I want to do, and I've learned so much by watching them and how to prepare. And I've been backpacking and camping my whole life, so basically I look at this as a backpacking adventure that's mobile. So, and so what better way to get to where I want to go and get to some really remote areas, and I can backpack without having to hoof it, so to speak. It's still exhausting riding a motorcycle, but nothing like obviously backpacking. And I can't wait to be able to learn over the next year on my adventure bike. And it's going to be a small adventure bike. I'm only 5'6", so I've been researching seat heights and comfortability and reliability, and I've gone from wanting to get, definitely set on getting the V-Strom, and then I saw the KTM 790 Adventure, but now I'm looking at the Honda CB 500X. I need something light, I need something comfortable, but also has some off-road capabilities. I'm not going to be looking to climb the Continental Divide or anything like that. That's not what I want to do off-road. I want to be able to go and get over obstacles that I cannot get over with a road bike. Be able to go and just enjoy mountain roads, gravel roads, forest roads, and just be comfortable knowing that I can get there. There have been many people that have used the CB500X, and I'm really encouraged by the reviews. I'm going to be test driving one very soon. I will post that video as soon as I do. Well guys, we're going to be coming to the end of this motovlog. I hope you've enjoyed the nice lazy ride around, my first motovlog. Not too long, just my first try at it, trying to get an idea of how to do this kind of thing, and I hope you enjoyed it. Well everybody, we're back at my house, and if you like this video, like I said, my first motovlog, please give me a big old thumbs up, and subscribe down below, and hit the bell notification, and you'll be able to know whenever I do another video, which will hopefully be on my new adventure bike. I'm looking forward to it. See you in the next video.